quiet voices whisper what I'll never win. They carry no names, yet I know their face. Follow every motion, I can't escape this place. I try to lock them deep inside, but doors will break that never died. The more I fight, the clearer it will.
Audio. Hello. Thumbs up. Cool. Okay, so we're just going to start the stream, and we're just waiting for Richard to come in. There you go. So thanks so much for tuning in to another live stream. This must be Sunday in New Zealand because we are live streaming, and it's the second one of the week. So thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're all having a great evening, day, morning, night.
Missed.
Yes, all of the above. And if you haven't done it already, make sure you subscribe, give this video the thumbs up, and share. Is that?
That's right, and you can always go back and check out the full series or other series that we do on our live streaming, and of course episodes. So there's a lot going on, and what's this one all about? Or we haven't done our intro.
Oh yes, yeah. Intro. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, go! H-Outdoor Racing, H-Outdoor Racing, H-Outdoor Racing.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is it? Yes. And I am Harry, wearing kind of a green, would you say green? Brown. And which is wearing blue today, so thanks very much.
Yep, we have to thank all the sponsors.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you most importantly of all for tuning in. And we're going to kick this off.
Yeah,
okay, so what's this episode or series all about for the live stream? And what are we attempting to do on this one?
What's the objective?
What's the objective? So
okay.
The objective is...
Okay, so we are making a Subskimmer, which is a half boat, half submarine design, Special Forces design. I think it was designed by the SBS. I think it might be the only RC scale one like it in existence, and very hush secret squirrel stuff. But later on in the stream, we'll have a look at the very little amount of history that you can find about this particular vessel. Yeah. I guess you'd say it's a vessel. And and then of course we will jump into the final assembly
for the outboard.
Hopefully, finally assembly. Yeah.
For the outboard.
For the outboard, yes.
Yes, that's right. So we did a sort of reconstruction of sorts, and hopefully in this one we'll manage to endeavour to finish it off so it's working again and work in order.
Yeah. So let's go and jump onto the other screen. Let's get into it.
Okay, so here we are. Thanks very much for joining in, everyone. And yes, so another week, and we've been doing a lot of things in terms of getting the episode ready for next week. That's what we've been doing. So maybe later on in the stream, we'll give you a little, maybe a sneak peek or some kind of insight into what that might be. I know that we did release a couple of reels about what might be happening. So you may already know.
Yeah,
but yeah, of course, they can't actually do the episode until it's actually finished. So fingers crossed, we'll be able to finish off the filming for that and then get it all edited, endeavouring for Tuesday. So that's the things in terms of the future. So what was the one this week? So in the past, I guess, or present.
We were working on this guy. So I'll just bring it up. There was people requested to have a look at the 5.5 inch dead cat design. Yes, that we've been building on the main episodes. We did 2 in a row to finish off a sort of like a mini series, if you will. Well, we would call it a mini series in our world, because he has some quite big ones on the go. So there you go. This is a little close up for you guys. This is what it's all about. And yeah, so he's got a 5-inch propellers on this guy. He is running, what flight controller is this one, Richard?
He is running a hobby wing one.
A hobby wing.
Hey, thanks very much for joining in there, Robert.
Yeah, cheers, brother. Thanks for tuning in. And we're just looking at this guy. He is running a hobby wing, which convertible flight controller, isn't it?
He is an F7.
V7 Generation 2, that's the one. And what else we got? We got, what's the VTX?
He's got a VTX? Yeah, he's got a TBS, I'm trying to think, it's the Unified Pro. Nano. There we go. Yeah. Yes, that's right.
And Happy's joined the stream. Thanks so much for tuning in, brother. I can see and hear you.
Awesome.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the updates. We appreciate them.
Awesome.
And this is the guy who's got 6mm frame. And of course, the Subskimmer is behind us that we'll be working on in a second. But just showing you this guy from a different angle. And we're just waiting for one more part before we can send it. And the idea will be, hopefully, on Livestream.
Yeah,
that's what
that's
the plan is.
Flying it all around.
Flying it all around. And
so effectively, that's what we're doing. We're sort of gearing up for the next round of Livestream flights.
yeah, what do you think of it anyway? What do you think of it? It's been dead on the stream till now. Nice. Very clever.
And 10 Tapestries is joining in, so thanks very much for joining in.
We appreciate you very much all. And what can you say about it, Richard?
It looks
cool.
Looks functional.
Looks functional, and we put the antennas on the arm this time. Have we ever done that before?
About digging it out here.
Yeah. What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's all good.
Is that what people do? I don't know.
Why not?
I know we did that on that guy up there, the KD7. That seems to work all right.
Right.
GPS, asks Robert, does it have a GPS, Richard? This particular one?
No.
No, sir. No, sir. We believe in the idea of it'll come back. It will come back. Please come back. No, not for this guy.
I guess there's no reason why you couldn't put a GPS on it.
Oh, like in the future. Yeah.
Yeah. Why not? What? If we did put a GPS on it, a Betaflight GPS, obviously, which one would you suggest?
Yeah. Like,
is there a preference?
What do you guys use?
Is it more like just what have you got? Chuck it on.
Happy.
You put them on the arms also. All right. Well,
Oh,
put
so this
them
we
on
put
the
a-
front arms. Okay.
Oh,
What-
yeah, when it's antennas.
Okay.
Nice.
Sweet.
Just to keep away from that VTX, I guess your idea is.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I guess our idea was we put it at the back because more aerodynamic now. No, it should be pretty quick though. We're running the latest 2207s, 0.5s, which are 1980 kV, so it should be pretty quick. The Hobby Wing says it's pretty amped. It was looking pretty when we were firing it up on the bench. It was looking pretty
Aggressive.
Aggressive and angry. So when we hit yaw or something like that, it's oh, there you go. But that's without the propellers on. We have our digits still. There you go.
M10 is pretty good.
M10, are you?
Nice.
Okay.
GPS away from the VTX works better, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, I think I agree with you.
And also,
If you had a GPS on it, that would always.
where would you put it out the back? Usually, I think as people do. That
Yeah,
sorts of
they
thing.
always sort of put on the back. Yeah.
Or the arm.
But the
Simple.
VTX is right there.
Yeah. But I think it looks pretty sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we wanted to show you that. And anything else we need to show you about that particular one?
I guess you could quickly jump onto a little bit of
a
what
recap on the
what we did on this week's episode, which is about this.
Yeah. Okay, so click that button and I'll click this one. Right?
Okay.
That way you can kind of see what's going on
What are we doing?
if you happen to miss it. Where's the button?
I think it's that one. Yeah. All right. Cool.
Oh, you got it right.
It's all I run lately are the M10s, not the M9s, not the M8s, the M10s.
Nice. No,
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Some right above the camera. Yeah, some do mount it above the camera. That's right. I guess that makes sense. I guess some people actually sort of put it on top of the GoPro. I was trying to think of one that we did something similar to that.
Yeah. But yes, no, it's an interesting one. And that's just us again. Hang on. What was the part that I wanted to show you?
There you go. So there's the VTX and there's the GoPro.
Oh, on the top.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of an interesting one. It was an interesting build. Yeah, just kind of like looking forward to seeing it. What do you think of the dead cat design, Richard?
Yeah, it seems alright.
Seems all
Yeah,
good.
it seems all good.
I mean, generally speaking, we don't really have a problem with the propellers being in the shot. And generally, because we were running a session usually on these sorts of things.
And no M80s.
Nice. But yeah, that's a little recap for you. So we'll jump back onto the episode, I guess.
Yeah.
Yep, there we are.
There you go. So that was a little recap for you.
I think it was good.
Yeah, so that's a little recap. And of course, this particular live stream is not about that.
No.
It is in fact about the Subskimmer. So Did you want to do? Okay, he's already clicked off that. Did you want to do a little like a history wrap up?
Oh, look at the history.
So Harry's going to do some searching in the background about the Subskimmer because we've got some questions about that. Hopefully we can find some, but of course most of it's hush hush, so we sort of have to be a bit more imaginative about what this is implying. Cool Cat's joined us, so thanks very much, dude.
Thanks, brother. I'm just off camera.
And M80s, which is the GPS, is bringing back memories.
What is our what is that that guy over there use? The Tarot. What does he use? Is he using an 80? It's like an old school one. Might be. I'll go and have a look.
That's right. Okay. And sometimes Happy says he actually likes to see the props. Don't really know why, but it's kind of cool to see the props again. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. So Harry's going to gear up to see if he can find. It wouldn't be on. It wouldn't be on there. It would be just on normal search, like say Wikipedia.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So Harry's going to do some searching. Hopefully we can find something for you, and I'll be back because I think I've got an M10 around. I think.
There's not much known about it, so it's pretty limited. So there you go. I think it just have to be Google straight. Google Images, I think. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Nah.
No, what is it?
No, it just says.
No,
it just says. Doesn't say what it is.
is it a hobby wing?
Yeah.
Hobby
Bro. That one.
Hobby Bro. Okay. So we were just looking at one. We thought maybe it had that particular GPS in it, but apparently not.
It's undefined.
Yeah, undefined. Okay. So so I was going to promise a little bit of history on the Subskimmer. Not much, if anything at all, is shown about it, but we'll just jump over because we had a couple of questions on the last live stream. All good?
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Is it this one? No.
No.
Yes, so this is what we can find on the Google box.
And ironically, we actually pop up.
Yeah, that's kind of strange.
Down there.
Yeah, down the bottom, yeah. Didn't notice it. But yeah, it's kind of an interesting vessel, and that is the one that we'll be working on, and we're going for final assembly. Kind of interesting design, and we I think we followed it pretty good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the little one there. Yeah. Nice. Good stuff. Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
There's the dash panel and stuff like that. That gives you sort of an
But
idea.
off on the top right-hand corner.
This one. Or that one. Oh yeah, there we go.
Don't have to click on it, just like that, it's fine. Very cool. Anyway, so that's a little history about it. If you look it up on Wikipedia, Richard, can you do that? Happy says, I'm impressed with how small the mini GPS chips have gotten. Yes, no, it's quite good. They have got a lot smaller, and therefore, which is good. And therefore, you can get a lot better flight times. And what did you guys get up to this week? Hopefully, you all had a great week and got up to mischief. Just write Subskimmer in it. Okay.
I did. There it is.
Oh. Yeah. So pretty much not much is actually said about them, but you could say it's a rigid boat, and yeah, that's about really it. But
There you go.
There you go. That's the extreme amount from Wikipedia. You might have to make a 3D trailer to put behind a RC track. Oh, RC truck, right? Yeah, that's an idea.
I guess we need to get a truck first, right?
Yeah, or make one. Yeah. You'd be like Optimus Prime. Always thought that would be a cool truck to drive just on a normal day.
Yeah.
After work with my Optimus Prime.
Yeah, just like a full. You just jump back.
Yeah, here we go. So that's a little recap on the story of this character.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that'd be pretty cool, actually. I guess you'd probably want him like tipping as well, right? You'd want him to tip.
Yeah, I suppose so, yeah.
Does it auto winch back up? I wonder.
Could put a little motor on it.
To scale. Okay, so what do we actually need to do? So
on the last stream, where did we get to? We stripped these parts off them.
Okay, so there we are.
As we sit.
This is where we sit.
And what we have to do is... Robert says, I don't know if... That's fine. Oh, that's okay. I don't know if you've been asked, well, what do you do for a living? Oh, we're doing this. There you go. So this takes most of our time up, and we don't have too much other things that we're focused on. These days we don't get to go to horse riding as much.
No.
And those sorts of things. So
We've got lots of other type career paths.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if that answers the question in a mysterious
at one point we were event organisers and planners.
There you go.
And doers.
So I guess we're just doing a different kind of thing. So yeah, we do like doing these kind of live streams and making these projects for you. So there you go.
Yeah. Pizza
eating inverters that eat pizza and make cool things. Yeah, there you go.
I guess so. Yeah.
We'll claim it. Thanks, Happy. But yeah, that's it. Once upon a time, engineers. There you go. So I guess you'd say still engineers.
Yeah, it's more like Doc Brown now.
Doc Brown. Yeah, we don't have the
don't have the DeLorean yet.
DeLorean. Maybe we need to get a DeLorean one day.
But apparently the DeLorean can't actually get up to 88 miles per hour.
Apparently. Yeah, but we did meet the guy. Not Doc Brown. What's the actor?
The character, Christopher Lloyd.
Yeah, we saw him. It was one of those ones where he was standing beside the DeLorean at like an expo or something like that. And we said, "Hey, dude." And he said, "Hey." That was our
that was our interaction.
Interaction. There you go. That was it.
Yeah. But he's an actor at the end of the day.
Yeah, he's an actor. So there you go. But he seemed like a cool dude. Yeah. I mean, I don't think he brought the car with him. I think it must have been one that was made here in New Zealand somewhere.
Probably.
Yeah. It was one of those things where like a Comic-Con thing. I think that over here they call it like.
Armageddon, I think it's called. Don't know why it's called Armageddon. It should be just called Comic-Con. Has anybody else been on like something like some kind of Comic-Con event or made some kind of like car like the DeLorean, like a classic, or like Knight Rider or something like that?
Viper.
Or your Viper.
There you go.
Or Optimus Prime. I know we're talking about that.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Full scale, of course.
There you go. So looking forward to putting this guy back together. It'd be good to see him back in the water. And then it would be quite good to see it go submerge mode.
Yeah. We're going to do like a live stream on that.
If you guys want to see one, let us know. Hey YouTube, get away from my car. That was the interaction you guys got. There you go. There you go.
So is Harry older than Richard? I think it's called H&R Harry first.
Actually, I am 7 minutes younger than Richard. There you go.
Yeah.
So I guess we all know each other now. Yes. So I'm the younger brother.
Yeah.
Yep. That's me.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mum.
Why did we come up with H and R? I guess why we not go R and H?
I had no idea. I don't know. It just, I guess maybe.
Maybe it flew off the tongue better. Human resources, HR.
Yeah.
But they're not that fun, are they?
Nah, they kind of put a stop to some fun things.
Yeah. Like going to space, completely killed it because of health and safety.
Yeah, it's a bit of a shame one. But anyway. Okay, so let's get into it. And what do we got to do, Richard? We got to take this one back out. We have to.
Are you going to countersink those bolts to the top?
No. Do you want to countersink them? I guess it's probably a good idea.
Make it look nice and neat and tidy.
We're talking about countersinking those fellas.
Yeah, probably should.
Probably should.
Nobody likes a shoddy outfit.
Yeah. Somebody suggested, I'm not sure who, but maybe to reprint this, and we say that would be immoral. This is gonna be this is where it's at.
And Robert said that he actually Happy said he actually married the younger one. Well, there you go.
Oh yeah, nice, cool.
Lots of people hashtag twin. Actually, there's a
hashtag twinning or something.
Twinning, yeah.
But I don't think that really applies to us. But yeah,
I think when you say hashtag twinning, I think that means just that you're dressing the same as the other person.
I'm not really sure. I'm not sure.
I think that's what it is. Hashtag twins live. I'm not sure what that one means. Maybe it just means just twins live.
Yeah, I don't know. That's where the OCD kicked in. Alphabet. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Number one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Either that or the OC. Right.
No, it's talking OCD.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so
great series, by the way.
Yeah. That's what we grew up with right there. Okay, so we'll go and get a drill we need.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll bring that camera in, eh?
Which one?
The camera angle in.
Okay. You can grab it? Yeah. Okay, so we'll move the cameras around and we'll get stuck in.
Get cracking, yeah. I want to get this one in.
Jump over to you.
Yes.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, mate. Nice. Yeah, good on you, mate. Thanks, mate. There you go. All right, put that over there.
So actually, you're talking about the what's it called? Twin life.
Yeah.
That was one of the things that people always said is that you should marry another set of twins.
There you go. But very
So
rare.
if there is any around,
There you go.
and they are keen,
You let us know.
you let us know or send us their contact numbers, or they can just get in contact with us.
What? Well, yeah, there you go. There you go.
You know, provided it's the good people and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah. Move it up a little bit, I think.
Not
It's funny that OCD isn't isn't CDO. Do you guys, Happy says, do you guys like to prank people with lookalikes? My wife totally does that with her sister. They will dress the same and do the same hairstyle. Nice.
Well, some of the we haven't actually done it intentionally.
No.
But yes, certainly happens a lot when we worked in different career paths
For sure.
and stuff, and then of course you have to wear the
Same uniform.
the same uniform. So
So at one point they thought that we worked at the same place for all day, all night.
and they got lots of angry
Angry customers.
angry customers
So
saying
you
you can't treat people like that. So there you go.
There you go,
It's
that's-
nice to have people on your side.
It's good to have people on your side, that's for sure. You'll have to go to the big twin event they put on. They have
Big
it, they-
twin event.
Never heard of one. There you go. But
It's a hashtag 20.
big twin event, maybe a hashtag big twin event. There you go. No, I don't know anything about that. But in our life, have we ever met any twins?
Only once or twice.
Yeah, maybe a couple of times. Yeah.
Doesn't come up too often, does it?
No. But that's all good. Okay, so what are we going to do? We're gonna
Big
start-
twin event. Never heard of it. Sounds cool, though.
Sounds interesting. Okay, so we'll put the countersink those fellas in.
And then what? You're going to kind of just put this on, eh?
Yeah, then we'll put the brass ones into the top of it. I think that's what we're doing, and then that will be a sleek profile, and then
Alright,
that
so
way
you countersink these three.
the team that does the maintenance will be able to take it out. Is that what Happy said?
I think so. The maintenance team.
The maintenance team.
You want to start those others up?
Sure. There you go. So that's what you.
just-
Happy liked the idea about the work thing. He thought that was hilarious.
Which way? Oh, 36 hours. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, we just used to get a lot of people angry. They'd be defending us on it.
They're like, oh, you can't have a person.
you can't have that, man. You're a criminal. You're a terrible human being.
You can't treat people like
You
that.
can't treat people.
Which one do you want to start with?
So
Richard?
many complaints.
Which one do you want to start with?
Hey?
Which one do you want to start with?
Oh, I don't know.
Face?
Oh, yeah, if you want. Oh, yeah, man.
All right. But yes, I've been very busy this week trying to make that this episode for you.
Oh, yeah.
And I thought we'd take a bit of time out and continue with this one. There you go.
So,
It's come along. It's coming along. Okay, maybe just go like that. This one.
yeah, technically with that one, you could also do a split on that as well.
Can you do that?
No, not on that one. I mean on the main screen. So in that way they can. Otherwise you just look like you're invisible.
Oh yeah. No, I'll do that in a minute.
Yeah, so it's been a pretty full-on week. Got some. It's taking quite a bit to get this particular episode done for you, Nick. That will come out on Tuesday. All fingers crossed.
I's and T's crossed.
I's and T's crossed. But yeah, it'll be cool. It's looking good.
That's good. There you go. Maybe I'll turn that camera a little bit so you can see a bit better.
Yes, but if you're joining the stream now, we are live on, what was this one?
We're live. That's
Which one? So yeah, so we're live, and we are building or reconstructing or repairing the Subskimmer design. So ready control Subskimmer. And at the moment we had some mishap happen where the drive shaft shared itself in half inside of our 3D printed design for an outboard. It was also done live, I think, and it was out on the water in Tihami there.
And then Richard went for a recovery mission.
And then I had to go and get it.
And bring it up closer so you can see.
There you go. And now what we're doing is we've got ourselves a brand new shiny drove shaft, and we are reconstructing the outboard. So this is
where it's at.
That's where it's at, and currently we're live on YouTube. So
cool. All right. Hopefully we get this one done on this episode. Hopefully.
Should be good. This one's actually done quite well this spring. Yeah, so there you go. That's what we're working at.
There you
go. Nice. Is this face though? Is that face?
Yeah. Yeah. So Robert says it won't happen on the next motor. you know it.
But if it does happen,
we'll be be able to repair it. But yes,
I guess it's possible that it might.
It's possible, but probably
probably
in a high improbable. Yes. Happy says. So I just looked it up. It's called Twins Days Festival, sorry. And it takes place in Twinburg, Ohio, USA. Nice.
Cool.
You guys should totally go some of those days. Yeah, that's an interesting, what a great place to put it. Twinsburg. Never been there, but it sounds like a good place.
It does sound pretty cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Twinsburg.
Twins Days Festival. Oh, thanks very much for looking that up for us there. Happy. That's cool, man.
Well, I guess when we get out and about, maybe one day we'll go to the Twinsburg on the festival day.
Very cool. Nice. How are you getting on, Richard?
I haven't started yet.
No, and when we made this one, we did allow for the fact that we thought we might have to do some extra work to it, so we made it at 100%. I think 85% PETG for this 3D printed outboard, just to make sure that if we was something that we had to repair, it could be done.
Yeah. Nice.
So, but yes. Happy says you should totally come to the USA, fly some FPV with us.
Yeah.
Fly home with your new brides.
There's so many films about that, right?
Yeah.
They go and pick up like a whole lot of chicks.
Yeah.
So everybody lives happily ever after, right?
Yeah, that's what everybody wants, isn't it? Always like a good ending in a story. Like, if it's like a horror movie, we don't really generally watch horror movies because I find them kind of scary.
Funny that.
But I can watch it quite happily, like say Supernatural or something like that. Quite happily watch that series when I know the monster thingy, which is a bad monster, goes down and the good guy survives. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Robin says, what did you do with your receiver to get the reception underwater? Which one are we talking about? Are we talking about the Subskimmer? Must be. Okay, so which one is this one, Richard?
So this one's just using a spectrum radio, so that's just 2.4 gigahertz, I think.
Okay.
But we may change it in the future, but I think it's just because the dive isn't going to be that extreme, I think is what we're thinking at the time.
Okay.
But of course, saying that, the way you do it is you use a crystal radio.
Yeah, so for our Russian submarine, now how do I show you that? Could I do that? Could I point to that? I think I might be able to do that. Hang on. I'll just pick that up in a second. But for normal underwater, maybe I can pick the camera up. I can't lift it. It's too heavy. It's got lead in the base of it.
Oh, yeah.
Mike's joined the channel. Thanks, man. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, hope you're doing well. We are doing very well. Thanks, man. And liking the Wally that you're making at the moment. He's looking very cool. Exceptional work, brother.
Yeah, well done, man.
Yeah, like to see that in person one day. Totally gonna do that. Yes, very cool. And it's one of those things, if you're talking about penetration into the water, the way you do it is use crystal radios because they got a bigger punch and they can go all the way down to, was it 5 meters?
Yeah, it's not that long.
Like 2 meters?
Like, yeah, about 2 meters max, and then you've got the, in fresh water, and then I think it's in salt water is about 1 meter.
Nice. But enough for this kind of thing. If you're talking like ROVs and those sorts of things, then generally speaking, they do like an umbilical cord, which we haven't done on the channel yet. So maybe,
which should be kind of fun, right?
72 megahertz was the last radio used in a submarine. Nice, 72, sweet.
And what
That's
kind of
sick.
submarine was it?
Oh, was it?
What kind of submarine was it?
Yeah, what kind of submarine? Yeah, I'd like to know. Or post a photo or video of it and operations in our Discord page or YouTube community. Yeah. Mike says just sign out whenever you're next down in Auckland. Yeah, man. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, cool, man.
We
We were actually down in Auckland.
hang on, I'll just turn so you can see Richard.
Hey? Oh, sorry. We were actually down in Auckland and we were like, oh, we're going to see Mike.
But yeah, it was one of those things. We were only there for 24 hours or something to see a buddy of ours.
And then what? And then get working on his boat.
Yeah, we're helping out with his boat, and then we had to rush back to continue on editing. But we did manage to get that episode out, so I was quite happy, and it was good to catch up with him, one of our mates.
And his boat's looking good now.
And his boat's looking, except that he went out on the water with it the other day. I think he's going for circumnavigating New Zealand, so kind of an essential part that we help him with. But yeah, for sure. If the fish start to float on the surface, turn down the TX power. Nice. I was going to give you a look. Hang on, maybe I can do that with the camera. Hang on. Might be able to do it, hopefully. So this is in a different part of the shop, and I was just going to...
Do you need a light to do that?
Yeah. Can you bring the light over?
Hang on. That's not going to work.
Yeah, it might work. Just grab that light behind you.
You got cables everywhere.
Cables everywhere. Grab that light behind you.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah. So I think
Hang on. I'll jump up there. Hang on.
No, that's fine. Just hold the light up there.
Okay.
Can they see that? I can't see.
Yeah, I think I can.
You can kind of see them in the background there, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so there you go. That's it's kind of like a Russian...
like a Bori class, right?
Bori class kind of submarine, but technically the Bori class I think has 2 propellers, and we only had 1 propeller. So
that's just because we only had 1.
Exactly.
But yeah, it's a 3D printed design, and then that we came up with, and then yeah, that's where
it's at. That's our submarine gear.
That's our intro to the world of submarines.
Yeah, I think we made that on YouTube, but it was a while ago, so maybe
it would be quite good to get him out and then get him like perfectly balanced. Right?
Yeah. Last time he was out, he dived and then he kept on diving.
He did.
But yeah,
I think there's a breach in one of the water reservoirs or
ballast. But it's
an interesting one, isn't it? Because it has a reservoir tank that's probably like maybe about that long. It's a tube. I think we just used a
PVC
conduit
tube.
piping, didn't we?
Piping,
and then we did 3D prints, so because you want the water to input and then suck out from the center of it, right? You don't want it to be, otherwise if you just pumped it in the end, then the whole submarine goes, or boat goes like that,
water,
right?
Yeah.
So you add a whole lot of, like 6?
Well, that's what we did. I didn't know what other people
6 classes in between, like subsections, so as it fills up from the center, then it will jump to the next one, and so forth, so that even fill, right? That
was the plan, yeah. But I think in this particular case,
it did quite well for that.
Well, it pumps the water in and pumps the water out, and yeah. But we'll be doing something kind of a similar idea for this guy when we get to that stage.
Kind of cool. Eh?
Okay, so how are you getting on? Have you made that? What do you call it? Side piece.
Oh yeah, just milled those out like that.
Yeah.
You can close that one down here.
Yeah, no.
Nothing on that.
All right. You want to carry on?
Yeah.
Get over to our YouTube channel.
Could do the face if you want. The face.
You mean Instagram?
Mm. Yeah, so yes,
no, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Yeah, Happy says sweet for the submarine. Oh, thanks, man. Because I remember that you were saying that you might have a 3D printed one that you might be working on.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's get this going. Diddle-doo-doo. What's it doing? Not that.
All right, so coming along all right.
Nice. Yeah, back in frame. Yes.
It's almost thinking that maybe with this one you'd want like, you know, like another one going vertically as well.
Oh, okay, for that one. I was
Possibly.
thinking what we do is we just... Oh, okay, you want to put one downwards?
Well, I was just thinking maybe might be a good idea, man.
But yes, hopefully by the end of the stream, the objective is to have it so it's operational, if we can. And the next part we'll need to do is, once we're happy with the drive connectors, we'll be coupling this fella up to the motor, like that.
Which one? Oh, yeah.
Oh, hang on, where's the camera? There you go. And like that, and then we'll have to cut it to length because obviously it was never designed to be like this. But yes, we'll do that, and then make sure we only cut once, and then we'll be using one of these little fellas. It's like a little coupling link. There you go. You can see it? Can you see it? No, it's just me. Just me again. Still me.
Still Harry.
But yeah, there you go. That's it's still just focused on me. But yeah, you can kind of see it.
Yeah.
There you go. Hopefully you can see it. But yeah, and the objective is we'll be putting it in there, and then we'll tighten up the little hex to the motor, and then and then happy days. Yeah, it'd be good to see that back operational again, and then we can send it back out on the water, or in the water. Is that kind of an interesting design? But yes. But hopefully you guys are all having a great week this week. And yeah, like I said, we did bring the little 5.5 along, which we made, which was the episode this week. And that was the guy that we were working on. But we will be flying, I think we'll be doing the test flight on Livestream. It'd be quite nice to send it. We're just waiting for one more part to arrive, even though we ordered it at the start of the week.
Yeah.
Everything in New Zealand seems to take forever to get there. But if you order something overseas, sometimes it arrives a lot faster. I don't know how the world works. I'm not sure. But the plan will be, once that arrives, we can do some little adjustments and then go and send it.
Yeah, that's yeah. All good. Yeah, all right. Okay, so I think that's something.
Yep.
Okay.
How are we getting on?
Yeah, all good. Yeah, I was just trying to make enough room for that bolt to go on the back on the nut too.
Okay. And then once we...
and then are you going to go some vertical ones though?
Do you need it?
Well, how's it going to... Else is the motor?
Oh, yeah, for that part, yeah. I might need some bolts for that. Hang on. Where did I see that bolt?
You're going to need one long enough, right?
Hopefully. I think I bought some. I saw...
Are you going to countersink some bolts into the bottom?
I wasn't planning to go quite that far.
Or, oh, okay, just in the top, right? Because we were talking about using those heatsink brass ones.
Heatsink brass is what I was thinking. I bought some bolts.
Just up. Just over here, man. And down.
Stay there.
Stay there.
Sign fell down.
Unless you want to do this part.
I don't mind. It's whatever.
Alright. Well, if you're just joining the stream, we are live on YouTube and I believe on Instagram at the moment. And we're just working on this RC Subskimmer here, doing some reconstruction on it because the drive shaft previously came disconnected, aka broken half. And now we make it somewhat more maintainable in the future. Well, that's what we're trying to do anyway.
That's the plan, Sam.
Are you going to actually do this up tight, or? I guess you don't really need to, do you? No, probably not.
Huh?
You probably don't even really need to do it up tight, don't you? Not yet.
Not yet, no.
There you go. Okay. All yours, man.
I think those one might do the job.
Alright, cool. Nice. And thanks for joining in, everyone. Okay, so this is what we're working on. Let's go here. And that looks better. Working on the outboard.
And I think what we use is we use these. What are they? Countersunk M316s. And what we do is we'll put that through there like that.
Which one?
M3s. M3s? What do you reckon?
Okay, and then you want to heat these up.
What do you think needs to be bigger?
No, it's all good. We've got those.
Have we got M3s?
Maybe.
Oh, you want to go longer? I got 25s. If you want to go really long.
I got M3s. But I guess you don't need to. We're thinking of using these heat sinks. We've had sometimes good, results by heat sinks, sometimes not. So we'll see how it goes, right? Varying degrees of success. Sometimes the filament gets in the way when you heat it up, and then you got to try and recover it. And then sometimes the heat sinks themselves doesn't really
appreciate
that kind of thing, but we'll see what happens.
But anyway, thanks so much for tuning in to the live stream. We appreciate you all very much. And Richard's in the background. Hang on, sorry. So we thank you very much for tuning into these live streams that we make and our episodes. And then on Tuesday next week we will be releasing a new one. Hopefully it's a good one. And I've been filming it just before this live stream, and then if there's enough daylight out there, we'll carry on. Yeah. But make sure if you want to join on the chat. It's pretty informal, and it makes
you'll plug it in.
Makes the day, I guess. Yep.
You good?
Hang on.
Yeah.
Yep, we're all good.
Everything all good, so?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, so that's where we're at. I think Harry's taking the reins at the moment. And yeah, so what do you reckon? Do you think it will fix it? Hopefully it does. And what are you going to do? You're going to drill some vertical ones, are you, Harry?
I think there's a plan, yeah.
Okay.
Have you got like a bolt I can use as a temporary?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so very little is known about the Subskimmer design, which I guess is always a good thing if it's supposed to be Special Forces and super secretive. But yes, this is what sort of inspired from this design, and worked out pretty well so far. Yeah, it's pretty good, eh?
I think so, yeah.
And do we have anything planned for the weekend? Are we doing anything exciting? Anything happening up? Leave your comments. I know what we've been doing. So yeah, lots of filming, lots of editing, and of course lots of designing and making is what has been keeping us pretty occupied for the last couple of days, well, this week, and pretty full on. Should be good. And what are you gonna do? Are you gonna drill straight through it, or?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Maybe just bring that over here and we'll just hold it, and then.
Which one? Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna jump into not that one. Let's jump into your one. Then.
Okay. Just changing the camera over.
There you go.
Melvin's joined in. Thanks so much for tuning in, brother.
Yep. So if you're just joining us, we are on Instagram and we are also streaming on YouTube. So yeah, thanks very much for joining in. And if you're familiar with Infamous FU or aka Melvin, he was also another guest.
Yes, it's very cool.
On our channel. Very cool dude. And he was, or is, the DRL expert in terms of
test pilot.
And
all around good dude. Yeah, for sure. Okay, what do you reckon? Hold that one there. There.
Yeah, it's all good, man.
And what do you reckon? Go straight down to here?
Yeah. So you
just
like
4?
Yeah.
You can go either side, like that?
Yeah.
With a sheer right attitude, what could go wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you all good?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Don't go too far down there. Oh, I guess you would, eh?
Maybe there.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, I moved it then. You got that, a screw?
Hex.
Or just a screw and I just shove it in the hole.
Sure.
Yep, so if you're just joining the stream now, we are busy in the workshop working on the Subskimmer. And and if you don't know what a Subskimmer is, you have to go and check out the channel for details. But in essence, it is half boat, half submarine. And currently we're working on the outboard. So this is the above water section for its propulsion.
Yes, Special Forces design, and I think it's pretty cool. Or maybe SBS design.
So,
Hang on, I'll just put a hex wrench in that other one.
and I guess you need to ask at this point is, how's the stream going? Can you hear us, see us, all that kind of stuff? Is it coming through clearly? Leave a smiley face or give us a thumbs up or something, just so we can see if everything's working correctly.
Did it go in enough? Oh, it wasn't going all the way in.
Yeah, it sort of popped off and then sort of.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Cool. What does Melvin say? Can't
Hang on, I'll just see what he says. Yep. Hey guys, what's up, brothers? Thanks, man. Thanks for joining in. That was a great live stream chat that we had with him.
Yeah, very cool.
You can go and check that out. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty exclusive.
Pretty lucky.
Pretty lucky to get to chat to him.
Very cool, dude.
Are you going all the way in, or?
Oh, just a holder there.
Okay. Okay, sweet. So you're going to add another 2 on this side, and then we should be good. And I'm just going to check to see if everything's working. Make some noise as well. Happy said. It must be pretty good then. That's great to hear. Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. And comments. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah. Okay, cool. Awesome.
What do you think? All good? You happy with that?
Yeah, I think so.
Not too bad?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Are they all right?
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Okay, where'd my hex wrench go? I need another hex.
You need another one? Oh, another 2.
Another 2 to make sure we're all
So
good.
yeah, so we're making some good progress here, and thanks very much everybody for joining in. Remember, you can jump into the chat, send some comments, and it's fairly informal around here. So yeah, you're more than welcome.
Do we need any more than that? What do you think?
Hey?
Do you think we need any more?
No. Or do you want some?
I don't know. We can do like one here.
Okay. I'm down. It's always pretty good to add more. They say more is better. Sure. I don't know who says that. Pretty bad at that.
But yeah, two is better. So they say yes. But yeah, so just show you what's going down. There you go. A little bit closer to the action.
Cool. What, just one ram in the back there? Oh, yeah. Maybe not centered. We'll do it off centered. And that way it's into that structure on that side.
Stronger structure on the left hand side. Okay.
Is it? No, it's not. It's the right hand.
Whichever one it is. Or you put just one on each side.
Okay. There's one.
Okay. Yep, you're all good. Have you got any more hex wrench over here?
Sorry?
Have you got any hex?
Hex?
That's
Yeah, I got one.
I got another? Okay.
You can grab another if you want.
Alright.
I can smell the soldering iron again. It must be working.
Alright. No, you can do that. Yeah, there you go. We are getting there, guys. We are getting there.
Starting to win, you reckon?
I think so.
And how's that one going, all right?
Yeah, I think it's working. Yep. But yes, we're making some good headway. And this is the guy that we're working on. Just so you remind people, so you can see what we're actually making. This is the guy that we're working on.
That's right, because we're working on the outboard at the moment.
Working on the outboard of it. So yeah.
Okay, well maybe you can start the deconstruction and then we'll add those countersink things in.
What's that?
Heat sinks, sorry.
Take it apart, you mean?
You take that apart and then add those countersink heat sinks.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll go from there. Okay, you got that?
Sounds swell.
Sounds good? Yeah, nice. Okay, maybe half and half.
Sure. I guess you can change this one, don't you?
Hey?
You can change that one.
Okay, cool. Yep. I can do that. All right. Thanks for joining in. You can continue joining on YouTube, which will carry on. Thanks for joining in. Do you just go share?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. And I'll just take these fellas out. And I think that's pretty good. I might have to re-drill them a little bit longer. I think we're getting there. Making good headway. And for us it's a Sunday, about 4:30, and haven't really been too much outside today. I mean, mainly in the workshop working on these fellas. Well, not this particular one, but the episode this week, so
Yeah.
hopefully we can get it all done. It's always good when a plan comes together. Can we say that?
You're talking about the 18 now.
Yeah, I think we can say
I
that.
think you can say that.
But anyway, that's a reference to the A-team. And we're not talking about Insurin, we're talking about the actual A-team of the Bedford.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
So what's the plan? Are you gonna
Got him. There you
Yep, so feel free to join in on the chat. You're most welcome to join in. Nice. It's all good. All good?
go. I think so.
Nice. So which part are you working on now, Hank?
Oh, just trimming off these parts.
Oh yeah. So you're working on the countersinking, right?
Yep, just kind of thing it. Might as well do a professional job. The way it looks good. Nice. Yep. But yes, getting there. All right. So what's the plan? Re-drill these a little bit more? What do we normally do in this situation? Do we drill it a little bit bigger?
Oh, you can do. Just don't drill down too much. Otherwise. So I'm going to check to see if everything's working correctly.
All right. Okay, so that's
Yeah, seems to be working correctly.
seems to be working. That's good. Okay, so we'll go up to another side. Just make sure that I got the right one on. The brass fittings. Can you see that? That's the one. All right. Okay, so maybe 3.2. What do you reckon? No, a bit more. 4 minutes. 4 mil. We'll try at 3.5, and then if we're happy with that, then we can go up perhaps. What do you reckon? It goes on there. Goes on there like so.
Is that going? Go
Huh? Thanks for tuning in, and we are live.
Nice. Okay, so how are we progressing, eh?
Yeah, we're getting there. We are making the Subskimmer ready controlled submarine boat guy. And I think what we'll do is we'll sink these fellas in.
Alright, so you're going to heat sink them. Yeah, it should be good. So what, you're going to use a standard UA. Yeah.
What do you reckon? Should I go up one side?
No, you might be right.
Go off a bit more.
Okay. So yeah, so we're going to be heat sinking these bad boys in there, which is a 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter heat sinks.
Can I look at that one, please?
And
Should do the job.
should do. Hang on a second. That's right. Yep.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that look?
Pretty good. Good enough. Yep. Well, if you're just joining in, we are continuing on with this RC Subskimmer. It's half boat, half submarine. And currently we're working on the outboard.
Yeah, so hopefully we can get it all constructed on this one. Making it look good. This is the plan. At the moment on Livestream, we are also making, earlier in the week, and next week, we'll be working back on the 3D printed bird.
That's right. That is in fact a
Eagle.
an eagle.
Okay, let's put one down.
If you've got any comments or questions about this build or any of the other projects, feel free to jump in on the chat, leave your comments or questions there, and we'll see if we can answer them.
We'll do our best.
We'll do our best, as they say. I think it goes the other way around, but
What do you mean?
there's a specific way that those go in.
Oh.
But that's okay. But that's all good. Yeah.
So a different way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That way?
But thanks very much for joining in nonetheless. Yeah.
So you just put my second one down.
All good. Everything seems to be working correctly. Yeah.
Just check them to see if they're working.
Yeah, I did. I checked it before. Yep.
No, I mean my threads.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Your threads. Do they work?
I think so, yeah. Let's straighten that one up a little bit.
It's kind of hard to get those lined up.
Yeah, very hard.
All right. So yeah, so the aim of the game for these guys is to do just like we're saying, just heat them in and away you go, pretty much. There you go. Oh. So we're done.
Here goes one.
Oh, that's an Aaron's foot. Oh.
Race foot again.
Let's put some more.
Yes.
How do you get all the cameras lined up? But
Yeah, well, lined up now.
I think so. There you go. Yeah. That's pretty good. I think so.
Okay, that's done.
How many more to go? Another 2, is it?
Another 2, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Hopefully this upgrade is an upgrade.
You mean what? Instead of a downgrade? Yeah, but nobody really wants a downgrade.
No, you want to get upgraded. Must be. Must be.
Surely, right?
Yeah, that's what it's all about.
Yeah. And how's everybody's day going? Hopefully it was a good day. Hopefully it was. Or is.
Put this one in here, right? Alright.
It's the last one, right?
Last one for this guy. So we're making good headway.
Not really something you can rush, really.
Not particularly, no. Hopefully we got it right. Okay. So that's those fellas.
Do you want to check them out and see how it works?
I guess that's probably the next idea. Check them that they're all straight.
You need a light?
Dunno.
I'll grab the light, I think, just in case. Like anything, it's always tricky to line it all up. Obviously you don't need to go all the way down, just
enough.
Just enough to see it's working correctly. The reason why we're adding these in, they went into the original design, because the original design just had glue, and that worked fine. Right up to the point where you needed to open it up and maintain it. So it was good right up to that point, and then it wasn't good. All good?
That's it.
It's a little bit tricky.
Yeah, maybe that one needs to be a little bit crooked.
Adjusted?
Yeah.
Good.
I'll get as many as I can in, and then we'll see from there.
Well, it's never quite what you expect.
No.
You think you got it right,
Yeah, soon.
but you haven't really got it right.
Got it thereabouts, right?
You taking those off, or
I don't know, just seeing if it comes together better.
put those on and the other one?
So,
It's pretty
I
good.
guess okay, yeah. Those, so I think.
2 in, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 to complete. And like anything, we need to adjust it.
Okay, maybe we'll put a little arrow. This one needs to get this way. This one needs to get this way. This one needs to get that way.
Are you adjusting the top part or the second part?
Don't know. What do you think? Is it straight? Look alright?
Not really that straight.
No? Come together straight.
Maybe undo that one.
I'll do this one.
Yeah. I'd probably line them all up too if you got that. Let's have a look. Nope. They all slightly need to be adjusted.
Okay. Where's that pencil? Just put.
Okay,
Which
so
way does
this
it
one
go?
needs to come more to you.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Just hold, you hold it straight.
Yeah, I'll hold it, yeah.
That one. This one. this in. But yes, we're getting there. Try that.
Okay.
All right. Hopefully we get the second time.
Yeah, fingers crossed. If you just join in on the live stream, we are busy
We'll work on these ones.
putting the. We could do it here too. You could do
Yeah,
it here.
just
We're busy working on the 3D printed outboard, and like anything, you've got to do some adjustments if we want it to work correctly. So thanks for joining in, and we are also on YouTube, the live stream. You can tune in on that too. And what's Mike been up to this week? I know he was on earlier. How's he been going? Hopefully Mike's been well. And if you are still on the live stream, thumbs up or a smiley face just to see if everything's working correctly. Or as we say in the rodeo, make some noise. Happy says, all good, thumbs up. Awesome, thanks man. Thanks for that. It makes a difference. Oh, not that way. That way. Otherwise it just looks weird. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, so what is the episode of the week? The episode of the week was, let's go, right? Next week? Yeah, this one. Oh, that's what we're working on this week. Alright. Cool, man. He jumped on his own channel, responding to some comments. Okay, cool, man. You're multi-screen. Cool. How's your channel going there, Happy? Hopefully it's going great. I know you're collecting quite a lot of, quite the fan base going on there, right? Isn't that what you thought, Eric? Yeah, I think so, yeah. It's quite impressive what you're doing. And I know you had something with helicopters coming in, cutting trees that we saw. I think we were talking about that on the last stream. Did you see another one that he put up there? Because I know you're putting up quite a lot at the moment, right? Do you have any other events coming up, or any other swap meets or anything like that, or expos or functions? How's that coming?
yeah, getting it slowly.
Alright, cool. I know that. Do we have any expos ourselves coming up? Do you think if we because we were thinking maybe this year we might go to some events or expos with the channel or whatever. What kind of events do you think we should go to? Do you think we should go to? I know that there's the Warbirds over Wanaka, but of course it's quite an endeavour to go to that one, right?
Very much.
It's a full-on trip, and yeah, pretty full-on. Okay, nice. Well, I mean, it's an upside to something bad, I guess. Yeah. Well, I guess you got to catch up on stuff. Yeah, it's never that great to be under the weather. Yeah. But I guess what editing software are you using? We're using DaVinci Resolve for most of our stuff. What sort of editing software do you use? I know that back in the day we used to use obviously Windows Movie Maker. That seemed to work out pretty well. And then before that we just used just a straight cut with tape, right? Just hit the play button, hit the pause button, and then shoot the next scene, right?
That's what it's all about.
He says that he actually went to an RC swap meet today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Nice. What did you see anything that stood out to you? I know that some of that stuff's got some pretty good people bring some pretty interesting things to the table. I know that on Discord we were chatting with what was it called, Thunderfist? Is that his name?
Yeah.
The avatar name. And he was busy designing what was it, a turbine that could do vertical and takeoff and landing, which was pretty cool, pretty special stuff. It's all custom, and that's pretty cool to chat to him about that. Turbines is definitely something that we've always wanted to do. Obviously we do jet turbines, but one day it'd be quite good to graduate to the to be able to graduate to the full gasoline turbine, right? Pretty cool. Okay, he actually does everything on his phone, Harry.
What's that say?
He shoots everything on his cell phone, bro.
Oh, nice. Very cool.
Cool, man. I mean, it's amazing what you can get away with. Do you use something like, I was trying to think of an app, like, I know that GoPro put out sort of an editing software, like, it just does like basic cuts. I mean, it works pretty well, right? But if you're using, like, I think we're using Instax 360 or something like that, they might have their own app, I guess. Whatever works, right?
Yeah, for sure. Whatever does the job.
How's that going along here?
Yeah, getting slowly. It's just one of those things when you put those brass things in it, just...
Yeah, it takes the fun out of things when you do that, eh? You're like, oh no, it's all good, I got all lined up, and then, no, you gotta start from scratch. What if you did have a jet turbine, Harry? What would be like your ideal aircraft? Same thing with you, Happy. What would be your ideal aircraft if you had like a jet turbine?
I suppose for me,
aircraft or whatever.
We carry on making maybe the Mark II.
What, the Mark II dropship?
FPV jet. Yeah, jetpack man. Yeah.
Okay, that'd be cool.
Was it a jet wing jet man? You know what I mean?
Yeah. That'd be cool. I know it's a little bit pricey though, unfortunately.
It's a downside.
Avi says he often goes to the swap meets, just to join up with his friends, and then sometimes those objects come home. And he's kind of hoping that hopefully his wife's not watching. Yeah, fair enough. Don't want to get caught. Or his sister, right? She might be watching as well.
Yeah. What did you get?
How's it going over there?
Yeah, getting something.
Nice.
Just one of those things where it's just like a bit of a slow part. Doing this kind of thing. Yes.
Nice. That's cool. Give me a hand.
Yeah, we can try this part. Sure.
Yeah, okay. Jump over
To hold the light with you?
Yeah. I'll be the light guy.
The light guy. Should be alright now. Surely.
Yeah?
Surely.
Sure.
We got two lined up, so that's good. Okay.
One, two. Heavy says, great question. What are my favorite, my 5.2 paramotor?
Very cool.
Is that full size? It's 5.2 meters. Probably full size. They haven't got a film at it much. He hasn't filmed it much.
Oh, looking
But
forward to
really
seeing.
relaxing to fly, and it has a great big presence in the sky.
A bit. No, we haven't flown
he-
one of those.
So is that must be full size, right? If
No.
it's 5.2 meters.
It's pretty big.
Surely. And he asked what our one would be if money was no object.
What would you say, Rich?
I guess it's closer to a half scale, maybe. Okay. That'd be cool though. That's quite large though. 5.2 meters.
Yeah, but the other one's probably like 20 meters or so.
I guess it would be pretty cool to do full size, right? I know that when we were at the mountain, they do quite a lot of just straight under canopy, like Christina Raskina would do just straight canopy. What do they call that? Like just what do they call like paragliding? Is it? It's not parasailing. That's the one when you get
speed wing.
Yeah, speed wing, but there's like a slow version because they don't do speed wing down the mountain.
Oh, paragliding.
Yeah, paragliding. And if money was no issue, Harry, what would we pursue? I guess full size would be always cool.
Flying.
Full size.
Flying machine.
Flying machine, I guess. It'd be cool to make your own full size aircraft that you can fly yourself.
Yeah, that's always good.
Which I guess that we're sort of starting the world into that with the drone pack series, right?
Yeah.
That's sort of our first.
The Mark 1 version.
The Mark 1 version, anyway. What would be another one like like Harry was saying with the jet turbines? It would be quite cool to dive into the world of that. Like you're talking about like a Mark 2 version of like the jet pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be fun, right?
That would be.
But yeah, obviously with instead of using EDF jet turbines, it would be cool to do it with actual jet turbines.
Yeah.
I mean, ideally, just do it full size, right?
Yeah.
But maybe a little bit ways to go. I'm liking your idea with the indoor wind tunnel idea. That's pretty cool. Full size wind tunnel. Still liking that. Are you inside the thread now?
Just one of them.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
But yeah, so far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 lined up. Just want these last two.
Oh, yeah. Full scale paramotor would be close to 7 to 10 meters, depending on how many, depending on how much you weigh.
Okay.
I'm paraphrasing a bit. Was it a kit that you acquired, or was it something that you built? Either way, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Because it'd be interesting to make the chute for that, right? Design and make the chute, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
but we're making good headway on this guy. This is the outboard for the Subskimmer, and if you're just tuning in, we are making, what do you call this part? We're making it so you can take it apart and do heat sinks on it for maintenance. So we're effectively upgrading it, aren't we?
I guess so, yeah. And what size motor would they use for like a full-size paramotor? How many cc's do you think? Because I know that some people have done electric motors. I know that the guy you were talking about last week, the YouTuber, Peter Stripple, I know he did electric paramotor.
Oh yeah.
Which is kind of cool. But I think he had more than one thruster, right? Paramotor is apparently quite a big thing in the USA.
Oh, nice.
And he's got some cool footage of the demo flights.
Cool.
Nice. Do you have it on your channel? Maybe we'll go and check that out sometime.
For sure.
I
got that lined up, Richard.
Hold on.
It's lined up. Yay.
Yeah, cool. I have seen footage of someone, which I would advise not doing, actually flying between all the cables. Like, so...
like a drone, you're doing through it?
Yeah, but so the canopy's like that, right? And then obviously person in the middle with the paramotor, and then they flew behind and then through all the cables, which It's cool to do as a stunt, but
You wouldn't want to get it wrong.
You wouldn't. Yeah, there's no room for error, right? So it's cool, but maybe a bit too risky. Unless I guess you had another chute.
That's right. You want to make sure you had a secondary, wouldn't you?
Is opaque, and it has 2 to 6S packs. So it's a 12. It's a 12 cell pack. Okay, it's quite large, eh? Okay, nice. What colour's the chute? Is it like a big bright colour?
Alright. Alright, putting this one in. Okay, so what are you up to?
And does it look like a person as well? Like, is it like a human looking thing, or is it more sort of just like sort of propeller and then some sort of mechanism to pull the canopy?
Either way, it's cool.
Either way, it's cool.
Yeah. Okay.
So what do we have to do next, Ed?
I guess the next part would be we need to put oil in it. We need to
Grease it, you mean? You need to put grease in it.
Grease, that's what I meant. And then we need to cut the drive shaft to make sure it's the right length.
Yeah, how do you do that? Just do it by eye, right?
Pretty much we'll drop one side and then we'll do that. Anything else we need to do?
Yeah, I think it's time to post the paramotor footage.
Nice.
Okay, and some of them pull a full loop-de-loop, eh?
Nice.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Gravity-defying loop-de-loop.
What do you reckon? Should we take this part and drop the side?
Yeah.
And then we'll get into the...
So you're gonna start into the drive shaft side, right?
Do we need this anymore? Don't think we need that on, do we?
No, you can probably just unplug it and then just put it aside, and then that way we can use it if we need to.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. So we are making some headway, guys. It's hasn't been all for nothing. The objective of this live stream, ideally, is to get this outboard back on the boat.
That's what it's all about.
Might be a bit ambitious, but we'll endeavour to try it nonetheless.
There.
So those are all the countersinks and the little, what do they call them? Bolts, I guess. 3mm bolts that we've been putting in, and the countersinks, which is what Harry's showing you there in the camera.
Yep. All right.
Okay, so you're going to pull those bolts out, and then you're going to
fit the drive shaft.
Fit the drive shaft. So
I've got the drive shafts.
okay, so this, why Harry's doing that in the background, we've got 2 drive shafts to this. Oh, where's the camera? There it is. So this is the old drive shaft that sheared itself in half, and this is the new drive shaft. So same propellers, because that worked quite well, and effectively the same drive shaft, really.
Yeah. Designed for something else, probably. Just
yeah. But it seems to do the trick.
all good?
Yeah, it's all good, yeah. So we're going to have to put some grease on it, and then obviously have some gloves and stuff like that. And then at some point, we're going to have to cut it. I'm seeing if you can share the video link.
Oh, you know.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Right.
Well, I can, if you write in the name to write it in, I can write on the search and I can bring it up on the main screen if you want. It's another way of doing it, if the link doesn't allow it to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Like if you had the search words or something.
Yeah, sure. Okay. What are we going to do? Put the grease on it? Oh, no, we cut it to length.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's fit it and cut it.
Okay.
So you might have to give me a hand doing that.
All right. Are you going to change angles, or you're all good there?
Yeah, I think they can see, what's happening, or do we need to change it around?
Have you guys ever flown in one? Like take a ride with somebody else?
On the paramotor?
Negative. Would like to though. What could we say we've flown in terms of full size? We've flown ourselves in a Cessna.
Jumped out of Cessna.
Jumped out of one and parachuted. We've been behind a parasail boat out on the ocean.
Yep. And what else have we done?
And we've been in a
float panel?
A float plane, a wind tunnel.
Float plane?
Which is like a skydiving one, so that's the one where they blow from the air up vertically. Been on one of them.
Yeah.
And that's kind of our sort of full-size stuff that we've done, other than what we do on our channel. What about yourself?
Okay. Bring it over. If the camera's angle is fine, we can leave it there or bring it around.
Yeah. Okay.
How are we going to do that with the camera?
What do we need to do exactly?
Well, we're
Guess
marking.
you can swing them around here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Riding a pyramid is very contagious. And you would get 100% you want to get one.
I bet.
His one is a 17-foot wingspan RC pyramid trike cart XL 5.2 meter by Opal.
Nice.
It's pretty cool, man.
How's that? You see it?
Yeah, I'll move it slightly. It's how it's yeah, it's all good, man.
It's okay like that?
Yeah,
You can kind of see what's going on.
Yeah.
So the way it works is this one here goes into here.
Hang on, wait. Okay, yeah, there you go.
Kind of goes
Up a bit.
like that. Yeah, down.
Yeah.
Like that,
Something like that, yeah.
And then the
I guess
drone.
technically, oh no, you can't. I was going to say you could just join what we've already got, but that's shattered in half.
Okay.
That's the video tape. Do you want to jump onto that first before we?
Yeah, we can do it before we jump in.
Hang on a sec.
See if you can find it first.
Okay, let's see if I can find it.
So yes. And then we're going to cut this guy to fit, put some grease in, and then start assembly, I think.
Let's see if I can
That
find
would
it.
be a great achievement for this live stream, I think.
It's the video title. What a name. I guess it's a YouTube video, I'm assuming. Right?
But yes, we're getting there. Can you find it, Richard?
Yeah, I'm typing it in now.
Should we put the grease in there? Fill that guy out. Should be good. Is this one on TikTok?
Yeah.
Right. So if you're just tuning into the live stream, we are making this guy a half boat, half submarine design, and that's what it's all about. We're making this guy.
Oh yeah, okay, so this is off his channel. Okay, I'm with you.
And that's what we're making.
Okay. Yeah. So we're going to take some
Liberties.
Oh yeah. He says there's no need to look at it, but you know, fair's fair. There you go. So that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at happy. We'll do a very short little look at that.
Oh, very cool. It's pretty
Maybe
big,
because I
huh?
just want to see what it looks like when it takes off.
Whoa, look at him
Very cool, look at that.
go. Whee!
Cool, there you go.
Nice.
Up into the skies. Nice, good stuff.
Very cool, man. That's
That's
pretty
a great
big one.
lift off.
Very great, good takeoff.
Okay, so no, it's not inside track. It's fine. Okay, so here we are. Okay, dry shaft time, right?
Okay.
Okay, so
what
what's
about
the?
the coupling length?
Oh yeah, yep. Ta-da! Okay, so kind of an important one is to get it the right length.
Okay, my turn. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, so this is where it obviously it shattered. Not good. So that actually broke about there.
The midway.
So it would be like that in the flex. So
yeah.
not ideal.
No, not so much.
So okay, So where's your collet going? Where's
Where's the motor?
Where's the motor? All right. Okay. So once again, it's kind of like one of those things where you're like, oh yeah, it's about right.
So we'll put the collet right to the very top then.
How does it go? You know.
But there. It gets about there.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
So, in essence, it's there, right?
There.
Okay. Well, maybe just mark it, and I'll just hold it there for you.
Hey.
I'll hold it. You put a little. You got a
Vivid.
vivid.
Okay, is that the right?
Yeah, it's all good.
What do you reckon about here?
Yeah.
How far does it go up that tube?
Yeah. Ideas?
Not really.
No.
Hang on. Just check this.
Good old trial and error, mate.
Well, why not?
He reckons we should totally try and find someone who'd give us a full-scale flight hack.
Well, sounds pretty cool.
Yeah. No, it looks cool. You all good?
Yeah, just looking at how far it goes down.
And what'd you determine?
It's down about there.
Okay.
To the top thread.
Top head.
Okay. This one goes into here, that one goes into there. Top of the thread. Hold that there.
Yep.
Alright. Okay, so we're going to get one shot at this, guys. So, wish us luck. What do you reckon about that? Happy with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think so.
Happy?
Yeah.
Alright, just double check that. There. About right, eh?
I can't even see mine.
I need to turn it a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's pretty about right. It might even be a little high. It might even be like not a bad thing to cut like high.
Yeah.
And then cut it again if you need to.
Cut it again if we need to. Okay.
You good?
Okay. Oh,
Like anything we do on this thing, it's kind of like a one-shot deal.
one shot. Yeah. Okay. Wish us luck. Okay.
Read the logo. Which logo?
What's that?
It says when you leave. Oh, you can read the logo. Oh yeah, on the hat, right? Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
I was wondering what you're talking about. Yeah. That was the idea. The idea was to have it on, like, say, on the rack, and you're like that. I was wondering what you're talking about. But yeah. Yeah. Thanks very much for joining out on the stream, everyone. If you're just joining in, we are
About to make the most crucial cut. The
crucial cut of this particular
build,
because if you get it wrong, you can't go back. It's a one-shot deal. So we're cutting the drive shaft length to fit because, of course, everything's custom on this channel, and it's kind of the way that we do things.
Yeah, I think it's fine now.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, guys, let's make that cut and bring it back out, Richard. And hopefully we get it right. We're going to get one shot at this.
All right, so there's your mark. As they say, make your mark.
All right, no going back, guys. This is it. You're going to get one shot at this, like I was saying. It's not like it was designed to do this. Wish us luck. Here we go. There you go, look.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to cut it with a tin snips.
What would you do, sir?
I just hacksaw it.
Hacksaw?
Yeah. Otherwise, you like crush it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Alrighty. Yep. Was it in the way? If I cut like that?
No. Sort of. I mean, your elbow is, but can't really do anything about that. I can move it slightly.
Wiggle this one over a bit.
Hang on. Move it over there a bit. Otherwise, you're just sort of looking at Harry's elbow.
There you go.
Maybe there, maybe.
Here you got a pair of pliers.
What does it say? Yep, everything seems to be nominal.
No, that one, just stop it.
Cool. Well, thanks very much for joining in, and if you would like to continue, head over to YouTube. Tap me now.
Yeah, nice. Okay, this is it. Don't get scared now. It's all yours.
Yeah.
And hacksaw, right. I do it left-handed because that'll make life easier. Nope, I do it right-handed. You got it?
Kind of like a spring effectively, this stuff.
Yeah.
Gotta just take your time.
Yeah.
Obviously, normally you're not meant to cut these things, but if we don't cut it, we can't use it, so cut it.
Yeah, I think I got a bit of bite now.
Just take your time.
That's the right spot, eh? I think so. Yep.
If you're just joining the stream, we are cutting the drive shaft for the one-of-a-kind RC Subskimmer boat, which is half boat, half submarine. And
We're making the most important cut that there is in the whole build. So I think we'll just take our time.
This is the drive shaft that we're cutting. We're cutting it to length.
Obviously it was never designed to do this. It's designed for something else probably. But
Tough, that's what it's doing.
it's what its job is today. And we're making good. We're about halfway through the cut here. Bend it down a little bit. Hold it. I'm just trying to take my time on it.
But yeah, that power motor looked pretty cool.
Very cool.
Because of the nature of the fact that it's got a parachute and everything, it wouldn't even take up that much space.
No, we better wrap it up.
Would you ever get a full-size power motor if you could? And if so, you would imagine you need some kind of license, like gyro plane license, micro license or something.
That's our last part now.
There you go. All cut and
Ready to go.
we're ready to go. So it can't go back now. It is what it is.
Your happy says, can you move the concrete workbench so I can see from the right-hand angle? Sometimes you just got to get that job done. Yeah, for sure. Wonder how a Dremel would do. The tricky part being it's flexible. Probably be fine, I reckon. Just one of those things. It's just the old Dremel's behind there, isn't there? Here's a Dremel there. But yeah, it's just one of those ones where you just have to take it easy. So I think maybe slow and steady wins the race.
I guess if you're cutting heaps, then you would.
Yeah. There you go. So I'm making quite good time on this live stream, guys. So if you're just tuning in, Richard's effectively sanding off the most important, crucial part for this whole machine, really. So hopefully we cut it to the right length. We're just going to go and check it now in a second. And then we can start the most important part, which is putting it back together. now better than ever.
New and improved?
New and improved, the best of the best, as it were. So fingers crossed it fits still. How's it looking at you? What do you reckon?
Well, it's come at the top.
Come out the top.
You can still spin it. So
That's good.
it's promising.
And it's been cut. And then what about that part there? What do you reckon?
Well, I might need a bit off.
What do you reckon?
Maybe.
No, a little bit more.
You reckon?
Yeah, maybe. No.
Oh darn! But at least you can cut it up. You can cut it, but you can't add any more, right?
No. So oh. Alright, try that again.
I reckon a bit more, eh?
What do you reckon, like there, eh?
Have a look. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right on that edge.
Yeah.
Alright.
Well,
To do it again, I think.
so we just need effectively like 2 widths of the saw off the end.
Yeah.
And if we don't do that, then
I don't think it would do it. Alright, can we clamp it on the vise now, or do we have to do some other technique?
should do it.
Or would we have to
Would you go long ways?
or would you put in the Dremel? Put the whole thing and clip it out there?
Here.
Yeah.
Maybe.
A little bit more.
A bit more.
And then you just hold it.
Oh yeah. Oh, but then you got to cut it. All right.
No. Okay, so we'll go for a second cut.
So, not ideal.
Get him?
Yeah.
Can I hold him?
Yeah. Ish. But yes, you're right. You could do it with a Dremel. What's up there, is it? Let's see what we got.
Yeah, that's
That's
fine.
right. Yeah.
Sometimes it's the Dremel's good.
So yeah, so if you're drawing, depending on the stream,
We're making the second most crucial cut.
this wasn't quite long enough. I think we got a comment there.
I can't really stop at this moment, John.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have a look at the chat in a second. I'll just make sure I get this cut done. And then,
Oops, that.
yeah, we're going alright.
Yeah.
Cool. Just want to make sure I get this in right. Okay. How are we getting on? Should we get it cut it with the Dremel? What do you reckon?
Yeah, maybe.
Alright.
I'm gonna bungle it.
I don't want to make a mistake. Alright.
Alright, maybe we'll have to do that then.
Let's have a look.
Okay. Yeah, I think I might have missed a couple of things in the chat, but I think that we're talking about the differences between RC and real life. In the RC, if it goes wrong, I think is what we're talking about. In real life, it can be really, really bad.
Yeah, for sure.
The hacksaw is a really good one. We're going to show the durability test on it, you reckon? Fair enough.
Yeah. Do you have some glasses and whatnot?
Okay.
Got some glasses and
Okay.
and gloves. Now we'll jump over to a bit of a faster guy, but it's just one of those ones where just want to take it easy, but not push it too hard. Alrighty. Intense cut.
Alright.
Intense cut. Here we go.
Yeah.
Alright, so it might get a bit noisy, but hopefully it's not too bad.
Alright.
I don't think I can do the other one.
Come again?
I don't think I got a cutting blade in here.
What, you don't have a cutting blade?
Oh, hang on. I do have a cutting blade, sure.
What you talking about, man?
Surely,
We need
surely.
a cutting blade if we're going to cut them. Yeah. Yeah.
Surely I have a cutting blade. Oh, no, here's one. Yeah. Cut off wheel. Here we go.
He wants to know what the story is on the orange rack, Harry, on the shelf.
Orange rack?
It's the orange rack.
Oh, it's our filing system.
It's our filing system, yeah. Don't be a hater.
No, yeah, it's, where have we gone there? Electrical stuff.
Yeah,
It's the electrical,
It's a good question, eh?
electrical stuff's in that one. Where is it? Can't see it. I just use that one, I think. You can't find the other one. Can't see it. It's there somewhere. Just can't see it at the moment. Oh, we'll just use that one. Alright.
Okay. Let's see how everything's going. We're just going to hit that. Looks kind of like a dart or an arrow. It's a rocket.
Which one?
The orange rack. Oh, you mean rocket. Oh, okay. Yeah, what's that?
Let's go.
Okay, so that was a live stream. So that's Iron Man. So he successfully flew on live stream, and yeah, so he's powered by a C-class motor on the back, and yeah, worked perfectly well. You can go back and see the live stream footage of that one. Yep.
Yeah,
Totally a winner, that one. It was a that was the first attempt at multicolored 3D printing. And we did all the color and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. Thanks for joining in.
Swap over.
Did you get a cutting disc?
I don't have one.
You don't have a cutting disc?
I couldn't find one.
We won't be able to do it with that.
What do you want to cut with?
You can't get it with that, I don't think. Oh, you might be able to.
I don't see one. Couldn't really find one.
Okay, no worries.
It's in there somewhere, just I can't. Oh, hang on, maybe we'll wait down the bottom. What's that?
What are all these?
Yeah, the cutting disc. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're using, yeah?
Yeah, cutting disc. Oh, hang on, here's it. Here's the fitting that one.
Okay, sweet. Okay, so if
I found one, yes.
If you're just joining the stream, we're about to cut the drive shaft, which is the main main drive shaft for this Subskimmer design. And we've been cutting for a while now, and now we're going to change it over to a Dremel to see if that does any better. So let's about to fire that up. That's why we've got the earmuffs on. And you guys made it. Yes, we did make the Rocket Man, yeah, or Iron Man. Iron Man, Rocket Man.
Iron Man, Rocket Man, yes. Yeah, so which one was it? A class, C class? Oh.
C class, yeah. So that was the biggest one that we could get at the time. So that's what we're talking about there. This guy. So yes, yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah. So that was our
first attempt at multicolour
3D printing. The first design, the Mark 1, we had the rocket motor here, and then as he blasted off, he did effectively 360 spins. So we decided that wasn't work. So we redid it on the next live stream, and we made this bottom rocket mount. Obviously fired straight up. Just went beautifully straight up in the air, and yeah, no, it was awesome. And then I think from memory, what happened? He got to the top of the climb,
and it didn't eject.
and then the ejection for the canopy didn't open, and then just came straight head first, bam, straight to the ground,
and didn't break a thing.
and didn't. I think he only broke his legs, but yeah,
minor,
no big deal.
but he's ready to go again.
Yeah, should we do another live stream on him? We should do another flight. Go get some rocket motors. What do you reckon? Leave some comments. Should we do another Iron Man rocket flight?
That was on live stream too, wasn't it?
It was, yeah.
Hey.
This time you better bring the camera in closer so it'll be even cooler.
Okay, going for the cut. Yeah, we're all good. Yeah, that was a lot easier.
That was easier? Okay.
And I'll just change over to the other one, I'll just sand that part.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, so the idea of using the Dremel was
Good suggestion.
a good suggestion.
It's a cleaner cut. And
Yeah. Abby says, you'd love to see it fly again, Harry.
you'd like to see it fly again?
Yeah, too bad you can't mount the camera on him, but it might be damaged if the parachute didn't open. Yeah. But what a live stream it would be, eh? Yeah.
Maybe it's just that depends on the size of the Iron Man and the size of the
Yeah, for sure. I know that on one of the rocket, just so you know, this is the rocket section up here actually. All our rocket stuff. So we've got some more rockets up there. If you can see, there, all the rockets on that shelf. So this, I think I can see it, point to it. That one there, which is the black one, which is this guy here. This guy. He was the guy that it's lightweight filament 3D printed, and then he worked pretty well, didn't he?
Oh, I think it was last year somewhere.
We made 3 of them. There's an episode on it, and I think we did some live streams on them too. It worked pretty well.
And then we put ourselves inside it, didn't we?
We made like a little figurine. We put ourselves scanned and put ourselves inside.
Okay, so I made the cut. And I think I did a pretty good job on that. It's a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
There you go. So that's what's up right there. Okay, so try and put this drive shaft back in, and
see if it fits, right?
See if it fits, and then ideally put the character back together. How are we going on the live stream anyway?
I don't know.
So we still got.
How's everybody going? Are we enjoying the live stream? Leave some noise, as they say.
Make some noise.
Make some noise. It's a cool phrase.
Very cool. Okay, so we're going to put this guy together, hopefully. I think it was a much cleaner cut. There you go.
Okay.
You fit him, and
then we have to take them all the way out and then do it properly.
Yeah. Take him up. All good?
Yeah.
Just because it's another cat, right? So it's hopefully it's all good. You spin the other way.
Oh, you're right.
Yep, so it's come out the top, guys. So that's good. Now we're just going to see if this fits a bit better. I won't obviously put it back on properly, but what do you think, Richard?
Hopefully it's good.
There you go, so it does fit the drive shaft, see?
Yeah. Doesn't need to be there.
What do you think? Happy days? Happy days?
Yeah.
There you go.
It fits?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll put the grease into it and put it together. That's what we want to see.
Yeah, okay, grease time.
Grease, we
Okay,
need
so
some
we
gloves.
So
Gloves.
pull out the tap.
Huh?
Pull out the tap, chuck some
yeah.
grease in there, because that's fundamentally the problem, right?
Fundamentally the issue, yes.
So what grease should I go and get the hydraulic grease?
Okay, so we got a grease fella there. And the idea will be is we'll put it together, and what an achievement that will be for this live stream. Yes.
Oh yeah. You got some gloves?
Yeah, I got gloves over here. Yeah, that's what it's all about.
Alright, sweet.
How are we going on this list here? Yeah, it'd be quite good to get this one together. Looking forward to it.
I got some tractor grease.
Tractor grease, yes. If we can work on a tractor, it can work on this.
It's basically a tractor, right?
Basically.
Yeah. If you can work on a tractor.
I got gloves. We got gloves.
Okay. You got the gloves?
Yeah, right here. Heaps of them. Got heaps of them right here.
Alright. Okay, so she's all coming together. If you just join the stream.
And we're making the Subskimmer. We just put the key part together.
So ideally, we'll get this drive shaft in. And
Yeah.
it will be none the wiser. I think we've got to join this little section as well, but that's a minor, very
Doing-
minor thing. So that's the rear pusher. It's now, is it now boat grease? Yeah, it is. Yep, that's what it's called.
Yep. That's what it's all about.
Yeah. If it can grease a tractor, it can grease the boat.
Yeah, for sure. Wait. You good?
I
Got a
think
cloth?
so.
You happy? Okay, let's
Oh,
take
I
it.
don't have any cloth. Hang on, I'm gonna need that. Otherwise, it's just gonna go. It's gonna go over in it.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. But anyway, we're nearly there, guys. We're nearly there on this live stream. Oops, it's now a secret Subskimmer grease. Yeah, for sure. There you go. Multi-purpose grease right there. Hey, put this in, and then we'll put a little bit on that side canal there.
Hey, how are you gonna get that in there? I
Oh,
guess you can put it in now. Would be the idea.
Doesn't matter. You don't even have to put it in that way. That can be just, we can add that in post.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't even matter if you don't put it in there. But we'll pack it in with like a little toothpick or something.
Oh yeah, do it now then. You got your toothpick?
No, just use something.
You asked for too much.
Yeah, that would do. We asked for too much of ourselves. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, you do that, and then we'll take this back out, grease the shaft, the drive shaft, and then we'll put it back together. Put the hex wrench on it. Happy
Oh,
day.
yeah, maybe take that out now.
Take it out now.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the grease. I mean, technically, you just hose all the way down, right?
Yep, sure. By all means, up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. And then put a bit on there, and then shove it in there. We'll grease this fella. And then happy days. Put it back together, and then should be something
Should be good as new.
good as better than you.
I guess so.
Yep. That's the one. Okay.
Is there a technique that we're using?
No, it's called shove it in the hole.
It's called shove it in the hole.
That's a good. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Don't really want to go on that way.
No, shit. Put a bit more on the other side. It's fine. We're getting there. We're getting there, guys. That's what we want to do. We want to get this back together. How are we getting on?
Yeah, all good.
No. How's that? That's the start. Put that part in, and then we put some
that
grease
away.
on the shaft.
Yeah.
On that prop shaft. There you go.
No. Oh.
You put it on your finger or something. You put it on there.
Shove it straight in there. What's your technique? Well, I just put it on it.
It's the one. All the way up to the propeller. Yep. Nothing like a bit of tractor grease to get the job done. Happy says, would it be cool to have a cheap syringe for pumping it in, maybe?
Yeah,
yeah.
It would be.
Would be.
Would be you're a genius.
That's pretty good. As it happens, we don't have one, so we'll imagine.
We'll just imagine that it's got grease.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Good enough.
As they say, good enough is near enough.
Good enough for shooting with it. She'll be right at you. That out of your way.
Right.
Yep. Probably come back out the hole. Yep. That's it.
Yeah.
It's at the top.
Cool. Okay.
Okay.
All greased. Greased.
Grease to the max.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go. You're good. You can change your gloves if you need be.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Would you?
Or you want to put more grease in it?
No. How much grease is...
How much is grease?
How much grease is too much grease?
You want to cap the end? Probably, yeah.
Probably, yeah.
Keep it in.
Yeah.
Yep. It's the one.
For my boat's dynamite makes a small finger pump that screws right to the small tub of the grease. It's about the size of a large toothpaste. Oh, I guess it would. Wonder if you could be, if 3D print sometime when you run out of projects. Oh, okay. Maybe you could design one.
Oh, design a syringe.
Design a syringe.
Nice.
I guess anything's possible, yeah. I don't think we ever run out of projects, but yeah.
But yeah, no, that's good.
That's a good idea. I guess you'd need some kind of... I guess that's quite a good idea, actually.
Very cool. Or we could probably find a syringe at, say, somewhere. Medical.
Yeah?
Yep.
Is it going like that, is it? Right. Once again, obviously, tricky.
Yep.
Alright, see that one.
Yeah.
Put it up with the... Make sure you grab all of it.
Mm. We just trying to keep it nice and flat.
Not really. Shove that screwdriver in there and open it up.
Open up a little bit.
Well, just do it with the little one and then sort of even it on. You know, like a small toothpick screwdriver on the other.
Like this.
Yeah, but you don't want to. You want to do it while you're doing it for real, because that way it's a
What do you mean?
We'll just.
Oh, because the collet does it. So. You might do. What do you reckon?
Want to get over that.
Bit of wire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we're getting there, guys.
Yeah, just gonna work it down. There's a couple of little threads.
Little burrs, I guess.
This is maybe something for your 80th birthday when you run out of other ideas. Well, there you go. I'm thinking ahead. It's nice of you. How thoughtful.
Oops. Nice.
Any luck? I was thinking maybe like a screwdriver in the side of it. You know,
Oh yeah, spread it that way.
spread it that way while you do it for real.
Alright. In the ideal world, it would go on perfectly. Hey, anyway, we'll get there. We'll get there. Yeah, nice. Little flathead screwdriver.
Yeah.
Put the collet in there.
Alright, so there's a screwdriver there.
Hey, very good.
Yeah.
Put it on the side, turn it sideways.
Okay.
Put it on the side, turn it. Just on one side, would you go? Just there.
You good? I got this.
Okay. Right. Yeah.
I have to pull mine out here.
Hey.
See that?
Is yours up?
Hey.
Push yours up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. What about now?
I don't know. Just have to keep going, I guess.
Keep going. Yeah. Maybe a little bit more collar action.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're getting there, guys. We're just trying to work it down. It's a little bit tricky because it's a flexible. How's that?
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah.
Some big noises coming out of Harry.
Yep. How's that?
That's good. I think we're working. I think.
All right. Get some more?
Hey.
Do you want to try it on this side?
Sure.
Right.
I think last time we just sort of just went straight down easy.
Yeah, well, yeah, naturally.
Got it?
Yeah. No,
Got that one?
Yeah, go. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Hang on. Yeah.
No. Not moving.
Okay, on.
Yeah.
Oh,
I can take it off.
you don't want to take it off, just get it off.
Yeah.
Is it good enough?
Is it good enough? No, I don't think it's good enough.
Okay.
Also, if it's at that height, you will never be able to actually connect. Has to go right down.
Right down.
Yeah. That way what you can do is you could actually bore into that, and that way that would go down further. What would you like to do?
Up to you, man. How are we going?
Honestly, can't tell. I don't know.
If it was tightened up, what would it, where does it take that?
It would just be like that. So it's only just like clipped onto the bottom at the moment.
Oh, so it's not on at all?
No, not really, no.
Oh, so
You gotta go. Because at the moment you're there, right? You gotta go all the way down.
you bet how far onto the shaft is
Just like, just clipped on the bottom.
it? Okay, I'll take it off and you go.
Take it off.
Well, you just said, yeah. You didn't think it's only just on.
It's gotta go, see? It's only just, it's not even on. It has to go all that to there.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're
Pull
gonna,
it off, I guess.
well, we can pull it off, or we could put two of them in it. So from two angles.
Okay. Hey, we're getting there, guys. It's maybe a little bit slow action at the moment, but I apologise. What do you reckon?
Try. Okay. Okay. No.
No.
Alright, I guess you have to just, what are you gonna do?
Take it off.
Take it off? No, you do.
Yep. No.
Okay.
Being a pain is what it's doing.
And then pushes it down. Yeah, so you can do it. It's just that one of the
A little bit of spring wires come down. It totally can do it. Just been a pain.
You've been a pain, man.
Stop being a pain. Work with us.
Don't be a hater.
Yes, work with us. Don't work against us. Anyway.
Abby says slow action better than now action. Yeah, it's slow action, but you gotta.
Get this one right.
I guess you'd say it's not necessarily riveting stuff. There's no
High pace.
It's not a high-paced live stream.
No. But hopefully we get it right. So we do appreciate you all tuning in.
I guess it's high stakes. How about that?
High stakes, yeah.
High stakes is not necessarily slow. What they used to say about snipers? They go slow is fast, fast is slow. You realise if you put that on, then you won't be able to get it off.
What do you mean?
Well, you got to put the other one on first.
Yeah, I was trying to just line it up. See if we can get it over there. I see. See if this fella's come down. Put that at the top, I think I'll do it. How's that? That'll be it.
Sounds good. Go there and wait my instructions. Yep. Would you ever I was thinking about, like, you know, we were talking about full-size aircrafts. Have you ever been in anything like a this thing like a jet fighter or something? That'd be kind of cool. I know that when we were talking with Craig Mossman on one of our episodes, it was about the L-39. You can go and check it out if you like. And between him and he's the guy that does the Wanaka Airbird show for the jet fighters, the L-39. And he was talking about how, you know, that's kind of like, you know, what they do as that's what he does as a business. You know, he takes people up. It'd be quite cool to do that one day. And Happy says, this is a real world project, unlike the 30-second build videos some people do. Yes, yeah, can't do too much with a 30-second video.
Come on, why isn't it?
All good?
Yeah, just.
Does that actually do anything?
Yes.
Oh, it does? Okay, cool. Awesome. Okay, so Harry's sort of prying it open a bit in the background. You gotta put that collar on first, Dan.
Yeah, I'm just fitting it.
Yeah, what jet aircraft or aircraft in general would you like to be in, other than, say, what we were talking about with the paramotor? What would you ever like to be in? Leave a comment. I guess the L-39 would be pretty cool, since in New Zealand it's
Probably
very
only operational one, isn't it?
It's the only operational jet fighter that you could ever go on. Well, probably the only operational jet in New Zealand, actually.
Well, yeah.
Let alone one that you can actually go for a ride in.
That's right.
As a civilian or whatever.
What do you think, Richard?
Eh?
A little bit bigger spread in it.
Yeah, that's all right.
Alright, so I'm going to try and put in again.
So put the collar on first, right?
Yeah.
Right. So it's those little feelers, right, that we cut.
Yeah. It's made life a bit harder for us.
Happy said, passenger planes and passenger jets, helis, paramotor, open cockpit. The worst ride was a medical helicopter when I was airlifted after my motorbike crash. Yes.
Yeah. Hey, it's that's not so good, but it's nice that it had medevac.
Yeah, it's nice that in modern day time you're allowed the option.
That's right. But yeah, that's not so good to hear.
It's never a good thing to be in a rescue helicopter, but yes, it is. You know, a possibility nonetheless. He's a big F-16 fan.
Yeah, be.
Yeah, well, who isn't, right? Probably the last 1G and pass out for the rest of the ride. Well, you know, you might last 2, you know.
What do you think, Ethan?
Well, if it's going on, you're all good.
Yeah.
How far? Oh, you can look in the light, by the way.
Oh, I got grease on there. Is it on? Or is it about the same?
About the same, it's way down there. Here it is there. Down
Halfway up?
there. Down there, yeah. So it's a little higher than it was.
Swing on, do it there.
Yes, no, we were watching that episode or series or whatever it was called Thunderbirds Elite, I think it was called. Pretty cool series. Can't remember. Was that Prime? I can't remember.
Yeah. Still not gonna do it. Why aren't you gonna do it?
Is that because the threads pull them down? Maybe I can have a turn.
Yeah, sure. Have a go. So threads are pulling down.
It's almost like you need to like weld those tops. So they...
Oh, we can't do that. All we can do is have another crack at it.
But yes, the Thunderbirds Elite. Have you ever seen one of those shows? That would be cool.
Oh, like an air show where they do tricks and stuff.
Yeah.
Ideally, I think it'd be quite nice to get this drove shaft in, and I think maybe that might be it for this live stream mission. Get the drove shaft in, then be on the time of the day.
Yeah, well, we'll just see how we go. Can't make any promises. If we can even get the drive shaft in here.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a very small gap that we're going to try and get it in, and the feelers aren't really helping us.
No.
Any luck at where you are?
Maybe. No, I don't think so. No, it doesn't want to. Can you hold that like that?
Sure.
Can you win it? Still down there, eh?
Down the bottom, yeah. I mean, it's a lot further up the shaft than it was before.
Yeah.
Ideally, we're a bit further than that.
Yeah.
Whoa! See the next one. If you want to carry on, we're on YouTube.
Okay, so he's becoming quite problematic, this little dude. But we shall win. Obviously, there's no guarantees on that. We're just being optimistic, man.
Looks good.
It does.
Nothing wrong with it.
No, nothing wrong with it. But not yet, anyway. Maybe. Maybe there was like something in here or something.
No, there's nothing in there. Tricky one.
Maybe that needs grease too or something. Then would it be on the thing, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? It's all good, but goes on, you can take it. Right, when it gets to there, just like that, they can do it finger tap, yeah?
So now, what did you get it that time?
Yeah, but I gotta put this on. So.
Right.
Come like with that, and then it's like.
Yeah, now you have to thread it up a bit.
Yeah?
You have to thread that one up at the same time.
Oh, yeah. Well, wouldn't that make it tight?
No, it's just putting it on. It only gets tight at the top. So it looks like he might have got it. Maybe. Maybe.
I don't know. No. Yep. It's the collet that pulled it off.
What's the collet doing?
Right?
What's the collet doing?
Well, the collet just sort of like makes it like
Tighter.
tighter and then.
Happy says that I love the Thunderbird's performance. I've been able to see them perform in person. It's hard to put into words. It's like listening and seeing any jet pull high G maneuvers from the ground. Sounds amazing.
Maybe what you could do is, yeah, that's cool, man. Yeah, I'd imagine it'd be awesome. So that actually goes on quite nicely. It's just when you've got this collet. So I was thinking maybe you could drill here.
Okay.
Hopefully we don't fill in the hole.
That's the thing that I worry about.
Put that somewhere so we don't. All right, so a bit of ad lib here.
Bigger, Gilbert?
Hmm.
Oh yeah, well, wish us luck. I'm going to get one shot at this.
Right.
Just the collet is coming down and tightening it up for no reason. Okay, Siva? It's probably enough anyway. What do you think?
Some more, yeah.
What do you reckon? Good enough?
Hope so.
Hopefully that's all we need.
Yeah, I know that they do quite a lot of aerobatic maneuvers.
Very cool.
And some people with some serious skills.
Some serious talented people there.
And, you know, if you've got the time and you've got the patience, why not get that good? Where's the drive shaft?
Over here.
Cool, check it out. See if we can get it in this time. What's it like, 4 times the charm?
Yeah, maybe more. Get some more oil?
You want more?
Right.
Every shout becomes a hymn. Hold me, lead me, take me in. Let me burn beneath the skin.
Happy days?
I think so.
Okay. So I got the drive shaft back out, back inside. So hopefully this time, with Richard's magic, we can do it. That'd be quite the achievement for this live stream. And that's what we kind of want to do. If you put the drive shaft in, then you're automatically in the game. You like?
Well, it went down further. Huh?
Oh, up, where's it now? Up here.
I don't know. I honestly can't tell. Roll wheels. It's about there. It's a little higher.
Okay. Try that again. Yes, we are getting there, guys. It's taking a little bit longer than we were hoping. I was hoping to get it just
So that actually has to go right down there. Eh?
wherever you can.
Well, otherwise you can't put it in. So.
It doesn't matter that much because the last time it was like this came out a little bit. So
Like that. It's be up there.
you can do whatever you can. This can come out a little bit, so it's fine.
You want to go down a bit more on that?
All
What do you
right.
think? Try again, maybe.
We're getting there.
It's proving to be somewhat tricky.
Yeah, too. They found a way to have the government to pay for their hobby.
Smart. Somebody else funding it.
Nice.
Yeah, but it's like that too. Somebody's got to fund it.
Sweet.
They use up all that nice kerosene.
Avo fuel.
Aviation gas. So it gets to there and just stops there.
Did it go on further last time? Or?
That's it.
Is it going on now?
I'd like to think so. How's it?
I'm just spinning it.
What about?
How about I spin it? Going down?
Hey?
Going on?
No, stop doing that. Oh yeah, keep going, keep going. Keep going, you're winning.
Yep, and then just turn that collar up a bit more. I think we're getting there, guys. We're slowly working it in. Just, I think adding that little bit of extra grease and whatnot. Yeah? You good?
Yeah, oh yeah.
We've got it facing the hex out.
What?
Facing the hex one out.
Yeah, well you can just rotate it.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, hold it. Yep, and you continue.
So you are about there on your thread.
Uh-huh.
There.
Keep going with yours.
Well, you probably don't need to actually. Keep going with yours. Because you keep going all the way.
That's all I got. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
So that we might actually have to drop that down lower. Why is that so fat?
That's fine. It'll be fine when it comes back out and
Big
spinning.
fatty.
That's fine. Just tighten it up. Tighten it up.
You hold it?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's loose there. It should be fine. It's not even on the collar yet. We're getting there, guys. Taking a little bit longer, but anyway, we'll get there.
Tricky one. See when you go on that. Can you push up on that?
You
Yeah,
think?
yeah, keep going.
Yeah?
Yeah, keep going. Yeah, it's coming up. I mean, I can see it rolling around the side.
That's all I got. Yeah?
Is it going to be too high? What's the deal?
I don't know, just try the motor on it. Hope it is. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, this has to come up. Should be fine.
Yeah. Okay,
Turn it
sweet.
up.
Turn it up.
Yeah, if anything,
What?
anything. Yeah, that'll be alright. What do you reckon?
Can they see what we're doing? I'll bring
the
you in a bit
camera's
closer.
head in the way.
Otherwise, you're just seeing how his head.
Yeah.
Bit better? No, you still your head.
There you go.
That's how his head.
What about now?
There you go. I think you can see what's going on. Let's have a look. Yes, I think you can see it.
Yeah. Yep, I'm going to put that on. Okay, anyway, we're getting there.
Okay, so we are winning. Might be taking a little while, but that's all right. Yeah.
And yeah, I think it actually could come up a little bit on the drone shaft.
Okay.
Pull this one back up a little bit.
Yeah, you mean unwind it?
Yeah, unwind it a little bit. Not there. Don't unwind it. Yeah, that's it, I think.
Okay.
That way you get a little bit more on the drone shaft.
Oh yeah. Okay. So that.
There you go. What do you reckon? That'll tighten up on there, eh?
Yeah.
Or a little bit more.
Look a bit more, you want? Don't pull it off.
Funny. Try that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so we'll tighten up that lower
Tighten up
collar,
the
right?
lower collar, and then we'll tighten up the
Which is
bottom
problematic.
collar. Okay, so we're making headway. All right.
Avanza. Stop. Indietro a destra. Stop.
We're getting there.
Centralo e muovi indietro. Stop. Dammi una copia
Good enough?
Well, it's going to be on tight, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't think I have another set of pliers. Just have to do this. I just technically.
Okay. And then that's turning now.
Yeah,
You can see
there
the-
you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
And then we'll see what that's like when I push that up. Up there, should be all right. Okay. Motor goes on. Hey, turn that up. We've got a hex wrench, did you?
Not on me. What's this one? This one?
Yeah. How to do that one?
Ooh. You good?
I think so.
I feel you're not straight though. You'd be like there.
Okay. We're getting there, guys. Do you think we did thread lock on that?
Can't get my. You know?
Okay.
Does it
So
spin
if I
now?
spin that, I'll put your hold here. And I spin that. Hey! Whoa!
Can they see that? Yeah, they can. Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Hey!
And it's tight now down here. There's no clearance, eh?
It's better. Okay.
Whew.
So how are we going to get that on?
What?
Oh, no, it's okay. Okay, so I'll just put this as a, put it together like that. And then we'll probably,
Turn them up. Look at that.
like a glue.
It's actually pretty cool now.
Yep, there we go, guys. We're putting it together for final assembly.
And do we need anything with that pipe in this here?
Pipe goes in after, did you?
Alright, from the top, eh? Yeah.
Okay.
Almost among the living again. It's almost all of them. Sorry? Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You put those bolts on the back? Where are they? Were they just sitting there? Where are they?
Convenient.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We'll just do it lightly fitting. And then we can
We don't need to put those in just yet because we need to put this top part in.
Yep.
Get the light?
No.
No. Alright, there you go. There you go.
Make a headway, guys. I think that's what it's all about. All right. So there you go. We're making
Quite
headway.
that ordeal.
I know, it has been.
So I know that we've got to finish the stream soon because we've got to get on to what will be the episode next week. Because if we don't film it when it's still daylight, we'll be in a pickle and we won't be able to release it, obviously. But we might do that very shortly, I think.
Maybe, yeah.
And then
Well,
continue on with this.
the next live stream.
Let's go see.
You mean test it?
Test
I think
it
we'll
and all that kind of
nearly
stuff.
be up to testing stage, I think. Firing it up and then mounting it to the back of the transom.
Yeah. This is looking apart now. It's quite good. Well, it's got all these screws and bolts and stuff now.
Yeah. Took a lot longer than I thought to get that drove shaft to line up. But it's just one of those things, I think. Thanks. So yes, so thanks very much for sticking with us on this nearly a marathon live stream. Nearly, but
Felt a bit like it, didn't it?
yeah. Certainly we didn't want to go on easy, so hopefully, I just did that finger tight that will need to be redone properly, but it's kind of finger tight for me. But anyway, so hopefully if we spin this, we're getting some movement down the back, down the front there on the drove shaft. Can you see that? Yep. There you go, guys.
And effectively, what happened, so the canopy will go back on, like that. Bam, and then you're straight back into the world of outboarding.
Yeah, so I think that's pretty good. I think we'll leave it there on this live stream, guys. We've made some pretty good headway. Took a little bit longer than we were expecting to get that drive shaft together, but that's okay. Rich is just going to move the camera over to the position. But yes, once again, thanks so much for tuning into this live stream. We appreciate you very much. And I guess maybe for the next live stream, we'll fire this one up. Might as well, eh?
Yeah, why not?
Why not? But yes, we've got cables everywhere in the workshop at the moment. But
Yeah, can you thread that past me?
yeah. Happy says he's got to go to bed. That's for sure. Yeah. We got to go and do some last minute filming for the next one. But thanks very much once again from me, and we appreciate the effort. I know these turning up to these live streams and turning up to these events and watching these episodes means a lot. So thanks. Okay, so we're going to swap over to the other sign out page, and from me, thanks very much. There you go. There's Richard, and we'll get into it.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to be signing out now. Thanks very much for everybody who joined in, past, present, and future.
Yes.
And remember to tune in to the episode that came out this week. It was kind of a two-part mini-series all about the FPV cinematic drone. So
Yes.
then we go back and check those 2 episodes out. They're up on the channels list there. And also remember to stay tuned for the post that will be all about the
What's coming up on Tuesday. So we'll see each other next week. Thanks very much. And 3, 2, 1, go! HR Draw Racing, HR Draw Racing, HR Draw Racing.
yeah. See you guys.
So guys.